Hi, it's Kathy from UtahDiyWedding. I just finished setting up one of our princess packages in Syracuse, Utah, and I'm going to walk you through it really quick and show you kind of the fun details and stuff that we did. We've done a lot of extras on this one. They weren't able to use their venue and had some issues, so they contracted with us last week to do a wedding today. So here we have our welcome come on back sign that brides love to use. We like to put this out at the curbside. It's a heavy metal sign so it doesn't blow over in the wind. And then come on up the driveway. And we always have fun doing these wedding setups, but it always seems so hectic. And we've got some signs out here so that people can see where to kind of follow through. Here's a welcome to our wedding signs with their names and dates on it. And then the first thing this year, of course, at every wedding is a sanitation station. So here they took one of our chalkboard signs and said, please cover yourself, masks available. And then they've got it decorated really cute with the sanitizer and masks for everything. I love their little sign they made. Spread love, not germs. And then we come into just a beautiful backyard. So let's kind of walk through and show you what we did. Here's our new easel, and a sign on here that says, welcome to our wedding. This is their gift table that they've got. They've also got their card container. This is one of our geometric lanterns we've got that we love. Then over here to the side is their sign-in table with some pictures and some of our faux greenery. And I love the fact that they've got with the pens so people don't use the same pens, new and used one. At a wedding we saw last week, they actually ordered some personalized pens with their names and their wedding date. It was really cute. Then here's the backyard. This is our dance floor lighting. They actually had us set up 8 barrels with the lighting to kind of give it that bistro look. I love our lighting. It is so much fun. And then we decorated the top of the tables, the barrels. So we put one of our little terrariums, a picture of the bride and groom. There's fake greenery underneath it, and then the florist came through and put some fresh greenery and some roses. It's just beautiful. Here's their centerpieces that they chose. Again, this is some of our bonus faux greenery. And then they just have a simple vase of fresh baby's breath, a terrarium with a faux succulent. Look at how cute these little tea holders are, tea light holders. It just turned out so pretty. I love the soft pink with the soft green. It's such a soft touch. But again, they only used 3 bunches of fresh greenery to do all the stuff they did here today. Guests enjoying it. We kind of did the lighting and everything. And then they're just starting the reception, so we'll see if we can kind of get this. But you can see that we've got the arch back there, and then we strung up some of our lace curtains behind it to kind of cover the fence so they have a pretty photo area. It turned out nice. Now we did not do the food, but I have to show you how they did their food. These are our galvanized tubs for drinks. This year we're really discouraging the use of drink dispensers so you don't have that one spot that everybody touches. And so they just used 4 of our tubs, and they personalized their water bottles, which I thought was really cute. And then they have cans of lemonade. And then they did picnic boxes for everybody. And look how cute they did these picnic boxes. We're doing a wedding next week, and they're doing one, and you'll have to tune in to see that one. And then here they did the standard kind of cookie display. These are our marble and gold cake stands. Really pretty. And they just individually packaged all the cookies. And then they have the little signs of ours, and they put on it the different flavors. And then here they have a big tub full of popcorn. And then, what's a wedding without an ice cream machine, right?
It's not a wedding.
It's not a wedding. So they rented an ice cream machine for today. And I want to show you. They set up this tent so the food would be covered. They were having a fit because they used 5-gallon buckets of water to weight the tent down. So they had some extra linens, so we used their linens and just kind of covered the bucket. and I put a piece of greenery around it, and then you can see one of our floating candles inside of it as well. And this is where they're going to do their first dance and cut the cake and everything. So we put some of our lace strip draping up, and then here's one of everybody's favorite piece of mine is this 3-tiered Merceman pie crust table. And it's all ready with their cake and everything. The lights aren't on yet. They haven't turned the power on back here because they don't need it yet. But they've got our champagne gold love letters behind it. But it's really fun. I'm just so happy with the way that it turned out with the lighting and everything. But it's just a gorgeous backyard. But the decor that you see here would have been the $3.95 package. The lighting on a DIY would be $150 per 4 barrels, which is 200 feet of Edison lights. So they added 4 more barrels to it. But we love to help people with their weddings. Princess packages are no longer available this year. We're booked out every weekend through October 11th. So thank you for watching. Have a great night and happy weddings.